Hello everybody. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the way you can write your profile for your e-portfolio. So first of all, I want you to know that what you are supposed to write is a paragraph in English, of course, in which you describe the most important aspects of your personality, your skills, what you like the most, and maybe your biggest dreams. You can also write about how you can see yourself in a few years. Okay, so I have an example here, but before showing you the example, I'm going to show you this website in which you find some words that you can use to describe positive words to describe yourself. So for example, you can use able, and an example could be I'm able to handle multiple tasks on a daily basis. Or for example, you can write energetic, I'm always energetic and eager to learn new skills. So the idea is not to copy these sentences exactly the way they are here, but what you have to do is to use these words and maybe other words to describe yourself. These examples are really like very professional sentences that you can use when you are writing a profile for your CV when you are getting a job. But right now, what we want you to do is to write a paragraph, as I told you, to describe yourself. Maybe you can focus on those abilities and those qualities that make you a very talented person and that can help you to achieve your dreams, to get a job, or maybe to be successful in a career. Okay? The paragraph that you have to write in this e-portfolio doesn't have to be that professional, but it has to include the description of yourself. It has also have to include the your qualities, your abilities, your skills, your dreams. Okay, so this is a very professional example of a personal profile or statement. I am a talented, ambitious, and hardworking individual with broad skills and experience in digital and printed marketing, social media, and leading projects. So as you can see, this person is talking in a very professional language. So in your e-portfolio, you don't need to do that. You just use the words, but instead of saying, for example, individual, you can use person. It's not that academic. Okay, it is also important that you use linking words. For example, furthermore, recently, here, finally. Okay, it is important to use those linking words in your paragraph. Okay, so you have your paragraph, and let me see. When you have your paragraph, let's imagine that this is my paragraph. I just copied and pasted. But let's imagine that this is your paragraph. It has to include at least 150 words. So let's imagine that this is your paragraph. You send it to me or your teacher, and we are correcting, the form and the spelling and all the mistakes you may have, because the idea is to publish it perfectly in your portfolio. So you send it to me or your teacher, we will correct it and send the corrections back to you. Once you have the corrections, you may have to go to Weebly, okay? And remember that this paragraph goes in your e-portfolio right here. I'll let you know as soon as it charges. Okay, so remember, you have to personalize your e-portfolio, your own image, according to your personality. Here we have to have a picture of you, and here is where we have to put our paragraph, okay, our profile. So we keep this title, a little about myself. You don't change it, but we want to edit this. Okay, so give me a second because I need to go to edit. And this is what I do. Let me wait for it to charge. Okay, so as I told you, here you upload a picture of you, and then you keep this same title, a little about myself, and what we are doing is to edit this text that is right here. So we just copy the paragraph that was in our Word file and we paste it. Okay? So let's say that this is my paragraph. I copy it, then I paste it here. Okay, and then you can also, change the color of your profile as you wish, or maybe you wanna make it a little bit bigger or smaller. That's up to you. Okay, and then you can do everything you want. Then remember to publish it, and once you are in your website, you'll see that this is updated. Okay, so here is my portfolio. I have my picture and then a little bit about myself, and I have my own paragraph. Okay, so that's what we have to do. So for this assignment, for this specific assignment, what you have to do is to upload a Word file with your draft of your profile. Don't put it in Weebly yet. You wait for the corrections. After them, you can publish your corrected paragraph or your corrected profile. Okay, that's all. See you later.